It's a 2012 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Bluetooth hands-free link, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, dual-zone climate control, power liftgate, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and refrigerated box located in the console. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit today. We're conveniently located at 6520 State Route 96 in Victor, New York.